Hello YouTube, this is Mark Woods with another video, and we got a new box up in here, y'all. It's from Ground Shaker. We're gonna go ahead and check this out. Alright y'all, go a good look at it. Yeah, this was like hell to pull out the box, but we got it out of there. Check out the inside. It's already a difference with the other box. You know, you don't got all this stuff going on, all the bracketing, the thick baffle. Let's go check out the other one. You got more light over here though, but you see the difference how thin this baffle is. When you got a thin baffle like that, it's going to shake and ramble. If you looked at the other videos, you would have seen all the rattling and all the shaking in the front of my box if you seen my box flex. But we got a lot of work to do, so let me go ahead and get these speakers up in here and let's see how this mud bang. All right, y'all, here go a closer shot of the two old boxes. Now, don't get me wrong, this box, it was cheap, you know, and it was very affordable. You know, it was recommended by the eBay seller. And that's another thing, I'm never going with eBay anymore on any decisions. But, you know, it did good. It sounded good. But y'all see the difference, though. You already see the size difference. I mean, you can definitely tell that this one has way more room up in it. And plus this one is tuned to 30 hertz. This one is tuned to 42 hertz. So, yeah, check it out, y'all. Chucky just came to join me to help me with this installation of these woofers. I mean, check out the shoes he got on, them Spider-Mans, you know, shoe game is on point, you know what I'm saying? But Chucky gonna be giving us a hand today with the box. I mean, you know, I don't want to have too much trouble. I need help lifting this happy mug. Chucky got my back.